In hot weather, the market for edible cube ice grows rapidly. CBFI is commissioned by clients to build a 10-ton cube ice factory. The ice factory has a compact layout and is fully equipped. The water treatment workshop is responsible for purifying and disinfecting the water sources and regularly conducting water quality tests. The ice making area is the core of the cube ice factory with CBFI's 10-ton cube ice machine equipment. The high-efficiency, energy-saving compressor refrigeration technology produces high-quality cube ice that is uniform, transparent, and bubble-free. The ice cube automatically fall off once frozen, collecting in a storage bin below the ice machine. Only one worker is needed to control the ice discharge packing and storage process. The whole operation is simple and convenient and has been highly recognized by our customers. CBFI always adheres to the business philosophy of achieving customers and creating value, making the world fall in love with Made in China.